Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at AMD, ARM, Broadcom and Micron. NVIDIA and SMCI videos I have already done on my channel, so please check those out right over here. You can see SMCI, we have earnings week, I talked about it already, and then also NVIDIA. So there will be, by the time you are watching this video, there might be other NVIDIA options video as well might be here if that video comes before this particular one. But anyways, so check these out if you're interested. And also, since market has been falling, I have been using that as an opportunity to buy into my dividend investing portfolio. So I made a lot of buying and I'm providing my portfolio updates. If you're interested to follow along, this is my public facing portfolio. You can subscribe to this channel. Link to this channel will be in the description of this video as well. All right. So let's get back over here and let's talk about starting off with AMD. So what are we seeing? AMD continues to stay in the downtrend. We rejected underneath of 200 days moving average as well and just plummeting. Now there was a little bit of a hope. We were expecting that maybe after post earnings as it gapped up, as long as if it can maintain itself above these two areas like 145 and 141, some hope may come for the continuation to the upside, but it just flushed. It just never held that level. So there was just no point in even trying to play anything, because are we seeing any consolidation in the candle set now? Are we seeing any buying happening on the lower time frame that shows us consolidation around those levels? Not necessarily. We do see some pullback, but that pullback only lasted in the pre-market, and then we see a sell-off, and then that was it, guys. There were a lot of key indicators that were still sitting on the negative side on AMD, and that's why I say that it's not about earnings will affect during the earnings time, whatever price it has to affect, but then the technicals will take over. And as you can see, we stayed below 200 hours moving average. We stayed below this 200 days moving average as well. So you get my point. There was just nothing settling ever down here that eventually showed us any consolidations, nothing. So eventually this thing broke and is still, red. Now, is this bullish? Is there a chance? Am I seeing any structure here that tells me that, okay, buyers are stepping in, this may go up? No. What I'm still seeing is just a lower high here. This is still a lower high. And the rebound for the intraday trade that came got rejected underneath of that 136 and 82 cents. So nothing to see here, guys, right now on the bullish side. On the bearish side, things are technically bearish, but take profits in the extensions, time to take positions are at the break of the levels, but yeah, structure is to the downside right now. Now, as for the trading, the lower time frame, so let's go to the hourly interval. So yeah, precisely that rebound that came, I talked about potentially we can go up to 136 and 81 cents, but most likely that will be it. We got over there, and then you are seeing the price action at these levels, right? For 4 hours, we kept rejecting at this level, so that was it. Right, and then we broke to the next level down 108 and 33, and that's why, guys, these levels are very important to trade with. My indicators automatically marks these levels. If you want my indicators, links to my tools are in the description below of this video. So 133 and 72 cents broke below that, staying below that still. If AMD has to go intraday upside, well, first we have to see it get above 108 and 33 and 71 cents. Then some upside may again try to happen. That will eventually turn into consolidation if that has to happen. And then we'll see if it will break level by level to the upside. But trade with the levels. If we get above 133 and 75 cents, some upside is again possible. Otherwise, no. Continue to break levels to the downside. It's just a downside, right? So that's that. So overall structure right now, though, on AMD is still bearish, guys. SMCI. So going to the daily SMCI, I talked about it already, guys. Yeah, check it out over here on my channel. All right, so sorry guys, I'm not gonna talk about it here. Yeah, I'm just in the rhythm, right? I'm just going in this, sequentially. ARM. So talking about ARM, this is one of the trend lines I provided you, that this is something because it has had multiple pivots. You can see what the price action does here together with the confluence of 200 days moving average. Some rebound is coming, but is this rebound strong enough? Not quite so, right? I mean, that's what I would say, not quite so right now. This blue box that could potentially would have turned a support now is a turned resistance. We have to see consolidation here first and the level break to the upside. That will most likely be blue box. If ARM can establish here itself into this above trend line, above 200 days moving average, and it starts to get into and above the blue box, especially 121. Then from here we can expect a rebound to 135 at least. But right now it's just in a free fall. I would not want to play long with high confidence. This is the time to take partial profits in the extensions on the short side. On the hourly interval, I'm just, yeah, not seeing any upside right now, guys. If we get into the blue box from the level 115 and 43 cents, some intraday rebound is a possibility, but nothing more than that. And if we continue to break levels to the downside, like the trend line, 200 days moving average, or even reject it, 115 and 43 cents is just a downside play, unfortunately. So, and structure stays is right now not showing any signs of upside. It's just in the downtrend. Broadcom. Broadcom is at the bottom of the channel, trying to find some support there. This was the area, though, 108 and 44. We broke that. Now, if we break out of this channel to the downside, 129.63 cents is the level to watch. Let's go to the hourly interval to see, if there is any strong rebound potentials here. Not quite. So on Broadcom, I got to actually adjust something on my indicator because let's go low, because this lately been not much volatile for the intraday levels. And okay, so it just did very little setting change there. But anyways, so as for the upside, sure, some rebound possible if we get above this 20 hours moving average and above 140.51 cents. But since it's in the downtrend, I would not bet in this rebound more than until 148. That would be it. Overall, guys, it's still in the downtrend, though. It's just the rebound I'm talking for a day. It may come, that would be it. But otherwise, yeah, if we don't even get above that level, forget the rebound. This thing will just scrape the bottom of the barrel here. All right. Micron, let's take a look at that. So Micron, we are below 200 days moving average. I talked about it. The next play would be definitely the flush below 200 days moving average. You got that. It's coming down at this next significant level, almost $89.97. Right now, I'm not seeing any upside on this. In the structure, it's in the downtrend. You can clearly see it, right? If any rebound has to come, what are we watching for that? So let's go to the hourly interval. I would not even want to trade rebound on this. It's such a short play. It's not even very close to 20 hours moving average. I would eventually want to see it first above 20 hours moving average, then some rebound is possible to the next level up, like 97 or 101, but nothing more than that. Right now, it's just in a free fall, guys. So yeah, it's just in the downtrend, very weak. It's very weak right now. All right, and if we lose level by level to the downside, if we lose 90 and 15 cents, then we are coming down to $80. Yeah, this thing just air is getting out of this thing, guys, now. All right, that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out this channel of mine, Dividend Investing, public-facing portfolio that I'm building. A lot of good stuff here for you guys. And if you're interested, just subscribe here, like here as well, guys. I appreciate your help. All right, see you in the next videos. Bye.